Meron na, t-shirt.
Video siya. Yan na yung dagat. Falls na. Ayun yung falls na malaki yun.
Eh, paano naman tayo pupunta doon?
Doon lang sa maliit. Maliit lang tayo pupunta.
Ay, ibig iba pa yung pupunta natin, iba pa itong nilalakaran natin.
Oo, iba to, dagat.
My goodness.
Dagat to. Maganda yung doon tayo magtatampo daw. Okay. Pag walang tubig, halos kalahati na ng dagat. Madulas kayo dito Ay, sarap ang tubig. Oh, lamig. Galing sa... Lumakas ka dalang kasi ako? Hindi pa namin nadaanan yung restaurant. May restaurant kasi dyan, ma'am.
Floating restaurant?
Pero ano siya, Friday. Dito nangunguha ng mga clams. Eh bakit naglulutay naman na? High tide dyan? Wala dyan yung mga mga oyster? Hanggang doon. Oh. Diba dito tayo dumadaan? May picture nga ako dito eh. Kaya pa ba ng isa dyan?
Kaya pa?
Umihi ka dyan. Here. Wait.
Dito siguro sila, itong daanan nila oh. Bakit naman kaya ano? Wala naman silang mahanap dyan. Pagkain.
We are going to the beach in the seaside and one village in cycle, and what you have seen in my videos or while we are walking through the seaside, a little bit far. They said it's just nearby. Can't imagine how far I walked already. Here it is. Coming nearer. And lots of like forest insects. Their sounds. Here the seaside already. Okay, and that's the far area that you have seen, like it's a big huge falls, but it's far away from here. Could you see that mountain? This is a mountainous area of Hong Kong. Those are the cities. Wow. Could you imagine, before I started this video I walked around 10 minutes already, and now it's almost 8 minutes, but still we're not yet arrived in the specific place where we're going through. And it says there's a warning. The sea area marked by yellow poles is a fish culture zone. Wow, it's high tide. We cannot get close, and so, you know, it's a forest. So I'm afraid of this forest. Maybe there are snakes here, but unfortunately we're walking in the small road here, and it's quite good that it's like easy to walk in, to walk by. Oh my god, wow, there's a dog. The dog is barking. Here are lots of, I don't know what is this, and this is, yeah, the dog is barking. Wow, so tired, you know, tiring already. I walked almost 15 minutes already, and my feet is aching because I'm not used to walk like this far, you know. It's 15 minutes walk. So tired, and we are near the end of the place. Oh, come on, can make it, can make it. Still we need to pass by in this area. I think there's a private property, and oh, it's like a restaurant. Wow, Wow, have a beautiful orchids here. It's an abandoned restaurant. Yeah.
Yung mga mabaling na pagdibukan ko, dala yan.
Wow, it's like this, you know. Maybe they are using this and this one and boating. Wow, it's so hot. And we're here in the side, so hot, hot, hot. Oh, I didn't bring plastic so that I can pick up shells. Hi, hello, it's Irish, you know. A 9-year-old girl. Wow, it's so hot. She wants to play in this seaside. It's very, very hot. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Can you see it? How beautiful the place is. Wow.
Kapag low tide,
So hot. My goodness. Very hot. I don't like to go there.
Tara mo, kawalit dito pagdalanan, napansin natin.
yeah.
Look at it. Oh, it's far area. What's this place?
Yung Shuo Village.
This is Yungshu Village
See the falls in
seaside.
there?
Wow, the huge falls over there. It's so far away from here. And so tired. I walk around 7 minutes. And this is the cities in Hong Kong that you can see far away.
Ito yan.
Wow. Oh my God, it's so hot. God.
Naman kaya ang mga to?
Ang alin?
Yung mga oyster.
But there are oyster there. We will go there to see the oyster. But it's so hot.
Dami nila, oh. Kung matyaga kung magganon. Magkalkal.
These are the oyster, but it's so hot. I don't like to go there.
Binuksan mo na ito.
Yeah. I don't like to go to pick up the oyster because it's so hot. Oh my goodness. See the water. I need to go there, but
Ba, layo din nilakad natin.
yeah, around 20 minutes walk. Oh, the water is so clear, so nice. Want to swim? Can swim, but it's so hot. You see, so beautiful place in this village of Sakon. Far away from the city. See, wow, clear water. Look at them. It's so hot, that's why I don't like to go there.
Ang sarap ng tubig.
Wow, it's so nice. Cannot get the oysters and the clams because it's a high tide. You cannot see them here. Wow. Yes. I will stop here and then later on I will go to falls. So I will take another video. Bye for now.